Welcome to the factory process. Today, we'll witness the extraordinary journey of how millions of liters of cooking oil are manufactured every single day.
The sheer magnitude of this complex allows us to produce millions of liters of cooking oil daily, supported by a
Here are the documents for the sunflower seeds.
All right, verification complete. You can proceed to the unloading bay.
Sample 6B confirmed. Logging the results now.
Approved for intake.
Okay, moisture looks fine.
Great, here is the paperwork you need.
Silo 4 is almost at capacity. We should divert the flow soon. The automated valves will handle the switchover seamlessly.
Scene 11 demonstrates the critical.
Scene 21 introduces the solvent extraction unit, where the remaining oil is recovered from the expeller cake using food-grade hexane as the extraction solvent.
Moisture levels look good on this batch.
Protein content is holding steady at 50%.
Check the readings on the tablet against the gauge. The differential is high.
Yep. Yes, looks like we need to swap these filters soon.
The H3PO4 flow rate is stable. Check the reaction completion graph. It's holding at 99.8%. The process is fully optimized. The gums are not precipitating efficiently. We need to optimize the mixing rate here. Understood. Making the adjustment now.
The neutralization process is carefully controlled to achieve the optimal level of free fatty acid removal without excessive oil loss.
Take a look at the pressure on the gauge there.
Acknowledged. The filter housing seems clear.
The activated carbon purification process, where the oil passes through carbon filters that remove residual impurities and ensure the Scene 32 transitions to the vacuum deodorization tower, a vertical vessel that represents the high-temperature steam purification process within the deodorization tower, highlighting the intense contact between steam and oil that removes volatile impurities. The microscopic analysis confirms the absence of bacteria and mold.
Excellent. The samples meet the strictest safety standards for packaging.
Tank levels are stable. The system shows we're at 50,000 liters. Nitrogen input valves checked. Everything looks secure for rotation.
Keep an eye on the sensor near the capping station. Looks good from here, but I'll watch it.
The bottles are inverted and sprayed with high-pressure water jets that remove any dust, debris, or residue. The bottle cap tightening machine applies the precise torque needed to secure the caps on the bottles, ensuring proper sealing and tamper evidence.
We take great pride in our operations and our commitment to quality. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.